All right, y'all, so it's 9 o'clock. What's up? Anyway, it's 9 o'clock out here. Hurricane Irma. We got about 3/4 of a foot of water out here. We're just hanging with the frogs and shit like that. You know what I mean? What's up, boy? What's up, boy? Where you going? Where you rolling out to? Yeah. All right, roll out. But yeah, we got frogs. We got lots of water. It's raining straight down. I don't know, you can't really see it on the camera like always, but it's raining pretty good. You know, just out here, 9 o'clock. Supposed to be real strong winds and everything like that. It's kind of been coming through back and forth. Right now, it's about probably 30 miles an hour wind, something like that. I don't know. Everything's still standing out here though. I ain't seen a soul. And I see off in the distance we still got a little bit of power out there, a little bit of electricity, but the whole neighborhood out here is off. It's over with. We don't know when we'll get power back, but yeah. Light's kind of bright. Checking on things out here, see how everything's going, you know. Know what you can see out there. Probably nothing. Trailer, neighbor's got the trailer running. Everything looks pretty safe and sound out here. Electricity's off in the neighborhood. Oh.